pretty early for a work call around 5:30 a.m. I was pretty hungry, so I decided to make toast from bread I made for my friends. Originally, I was going to give some sourdough to them, but nothing could leave my quarantine. So I preheated my iron for about 5 minutes and using parchment paper so that things don't get messy. I brought over my knife kit to Taiwan, and I so happen to have a serrated knife. This will make things a lot easier to cut. Let's go ahead and unwrap the bread. It's a good idea to keep bread under plastic wrap and freeze them, then put it in the refrigerator. This keeps the bread more fresh and better tasting when you put it in the oven to toast. I also prepared a cup of water to spray the bread with. This will ensure moisture is preserved in the bread. Now that the bread has been sliced into even pieces, I'm going to check if the iron is hot, and looks like it's ready. So I'm going to toast this for 3 minutes on each side, and then it should be ready to eat. So the hotel provided me with some butter and some jam. I was pretty lucky to have those, and I brought over some fleur de sel to pair with the butter. So it looks like the toast is done, and I'm going to check up on it for a bit. It looks like there might still be some cold spots, so I'm gonna give it an additional 2 minutes. So that looks pretty nice and brown, light toast marks. I'm gonna switch over some slices because I don't think they have enough color on them. So probably gonna toast this for another 2 minutes. So it looks like the toast is ready for some butter and some jam. Well, that was an enjoyable breakfast snack. I think I'm going to go back to sleep now. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.